Good morning, friend. Today I'm making elephant ear, which is Arvi pans or patra, it's bhajia. So that's the recipe I'm making today: elephant ear bhajia, elephant ears patra. So I have some fresh leaves, so I'm going to cut that and then I'm going to make on recipe. Like this is the one. Just do so like that. I'm going to cut these leaves and making from that several leaves I'm going to cut. Hi friend, good afternoon. Today I'm making fresh ear elephant bhajia or patra or arvis patra. So this is my ear elephant leaves press. I just took it out and from my deck garden, and then I wash it. Now it's ready, so I put it on the side. It's ready to do it. And also I have my this is the pan, so I put the water inside, water, and then I put this whole the lid inside for the steam, and then I put it on the gas, and then I put it on the lids. But before so you need that kind of vessels to steam, or if you have any kind of steamer you can use it. Elephant ear leaves, and then you need, this is my chickpeas flour, 1 bowl I'm making more, but for the measurement, this 1 bowl. I put as a test the salt. I put 1 little teaspoon of the salt, then little bit chili, red chili powder, 2 spoon, turmeric 1 teaspoon, and coriander powder 2 teaspoon. I do a little bit lemon juice, about 2 I guess. I don't measure. And I use for the good taste, not a sugar, but it's the coconut sugar because healthy. So I'm going to put the 2 teaspoons of coconut sugar, 2 little teaspoon. Right, now I'm going to put some water and then mix it up. Not too much loose or not too much hard, just mix it up. You can use with a mixture too. So I'm going to test it. How test? Yeah, it's good. So now you have to make consistency like that, so you can put it on the leaves like that, right? So this is the elephant ear leaves. So I put my batter, chickpeas flour batter, in here like that with the hand. I use my hand. I don't know what's the people use it. You can use spoon or whatever, but it's more better your hand. And as a Ayurveda, hand is better than spoon or any other steel spoon or plastic spoon, because your hand, you have energy in it. So that's, even if you eat by the hand, that's more better for the health. So you round it up like that with the, and then this is the steam vessel, so I put it in. Now let me do the other one. So now second one. So same way I'm going to make it and put it in my steam vessels. Some is my broken leaves, so it's okay. Still you can make it if it's broken leaves. This is end of season. I made lot during season, but finally I'm making video today. So you put your batter and do it like that and stem it. So now my batter is ready. See, all batter is ready. And this is the elephant ear leaves. So I put my batter inside like that. It's a heart shape. So you keep putting it. You can make 2 leaves or 3, or if you have a 4 layer like that. I made just 3 layer. Then you bend it. Then I put in my steam vessels. So it's my elephant ear leaves. Bhajia is ready. I put it batter and it's ready, and all this is my steam vessels. So I put the water in it. Then the whole one, the pan, and on top I put this all my ready ear elephant leaves. And now I'm going to put the lid on it, and around 20-25 minutes I'm going to cook it. So now is I put in a steamer and it's almost done, 25 minutes. That's the way it's done. See, I take it out like that. So it's steam elephant ear bhajia or patra is ready. I take it off. It's cold. Now I'm going to cut it. Cut it like that. You can make a piece. See, you can make piece like that. You can use as a snack, you can use as a dinner, lunch, breakfast, because this is the healthy, because chickpeas flour, there's no gluten in it and no sugar, but I just put a coconut sugar and leaves and chickpeas flour. Both has a protein, and leaves has a calcium, vitamin C. So this is really healthy recipe. So I'm going to cut, and some people fry after that, but I don't fry, because frying food is not good for the health, but some people fry. But I'm going to make other way, like I put the hing and the sesame seed oil, and I just make it after I cut it. So friends, now is boiled elephant ear bhajia or patra or arvish bhajias is ready. I cut it, I boil it, cut it, and now I put 3 tablespoons oil in it. And then now I'm going to put 1 teaspoon like a whole mustard. I put more because I like more. Also, I put some of the sesame seed. Sesame seed, about 1 tablespoon. And now you have to put some lid on it. And now you're going to put the hing. It's called hing, 1 teaspoon. I put more, is more good for the digest. And now you put all your arvish bhajias, arvish patras. So slow temperature. I made more because it's for my lunch. Not fun. whenever you do, you move it. See, so you already have all spices in there, but just the oil, whole mustard, sesame seed, and then put it in a little bit more around here with the big spoon. So, and you can put on a top shredded coconut, but I don't have it, but this would be good, healthy, and it's look good, tasty. If you have a coconut, I don't have it, but you can put on coconut too. So I hope it's now it's ready. I put a little bit time. It's hot. Very yummy. Yummy. Good taste. Good for the health. So this is my lunch. I'm going to eat that in my lunch. Now it's ready. This patra, advis pan bhajia, or patra, or you can say elephant ear leaves, bhajia, patra. So I did that. I'm going to show you some fry too. You can make a fry one too. So this you can use it with ketchup or any chutneys or anything. I hope you like my Advis Patra's recipe. So please share and like, follow and share in my Facebook page, Life Ayurveda Wellness, and my YouTube channel, Dr. Neelam Chudasama. I'm Ayurvedic doctor, the healer, and I do help the people around the world for the everything like yoga, marma, pulse diagnosis, healthy recipe, Ayurveda cooking. See my video. If you like it, please share, like, follow, and subscribe our YouTube channel. Hope you like it. Bye, and have a good day, everyone, and take care of your health. Eat good, healthy food. Bye bye. Now friends, I did that. Now I'm going to fry the elephant ear leaves bhajia. So this is I cut it, right? This is I cut. Now I'm going to put in the oil to fry. That looks really crispy and good. But fried food is not good for the health, so that's all I made other way. But some people want to, once in a while, if you need whole life, you cannot do that way. But once in a while, you can use sometimes fried food, not all the time. This is very tasty and crispy, very tasty. We have a third recipe too. One is made like that, second one is we fry, and third one is after fry you can put in water some salt and some what you call the jaggery and lemon juice, and then you make water like kind of that, and then you put it in this fry one. That looks real good, tasty. That's called ras patra. But you have to make a special way. That's the water to put this patra inside. So this is the fry one. So whichever recipe you like, other one or the fry one, please subscribe our channel and follow, like and share as many as you like it to Life Ayurveda Wellness and Dr. Neelam Chudasama's Ayurveda YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a good one.